Hi, to change time format of your Samsung Galaxy A16, first thing we need to do is open settings on the phone and here scroll down till we could see the tab General Management. After that, simply choose date and time, and now if you scroll till the very bottom of the page, you would see that option to change time format. So now I can enable to use 24-hour format instead of this one. So just take a look how the time will change in this upper left corner when I enable this feature. And now we got 1520, and if I disable it, we got 320. So you can just select which time format you like the most and leave that option enabled. And additionally, here you can set time zone based on your location. If you enable it by tapping on the switcher, you can select automatic time zone, automatic date and time, and if you want to choose manually date and time, you need to disable automatic option and then set date first. For example, we can switch to the January 13th 2025 and we can set time manually. I'm gonna choose 12:20, and now take a look at this upper left corner how the time will change. So as you can see, it is working perfectly fine, and to switch back to the right time you'll need to enable automatic date and time. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.